I'm Bailey Scott, and I'm a Community Risk Reduction Coordinator with the Tennessee State Fire Marshal's Office. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a smoke alarm. To install a smoke alarm, you'll need smoke alarms, an electric drill or screwdriver, a step ladder, installation paperwork, and a home fire safety tip sheet. The best places to install smoke alarms are inside all sleeping areas, outside all sleeping areas, and on every level of the home. Alarms need to be heard by every resident inside, whether they're wide awake or fast asleep. When you're considering the placement of alarms, make sure you're installing them high on the wall. Wall-mounted alarms should be installed between 4 and 12 inches from the ceiling. Alarms installed on the ceiling should be at least 4 inches from the wall or corner. Don't install the alarms near windows, doors, ducts, or ceiling fans. Smoke alarms shouldn't be installed in kitchens as they are a common cause of nuisance alarms. Any alarm installed near a kitchen should be at least 10 feet from a stove. Drill one wall screw into the wall. Place the bracket on the screw. Then drill the other wall screw into the bracket to secure it to the wall. Make sure the bracket is flush to the wall. Place the alarm on the bracket and turn clockwise until the alarm beeps. The alarm is now up and running. Congratulations, you just helped make Tennessee safer. To find out more about the Get Alarm Tennessee program or to request a free smoke alarm, visit tn.gov/fire.